El Niño and its impact on seabird populations. Good morning, everyone. Today we'll discuss El Niño and its consequences for seabird populations. El Niño is a climatic phenomenon characterized by unusually warm ocean temperatures in the tropical Pacific Ocean. This warming disrupts typical weather patterns globally, impacting ecosystems worldwide. Seabirds, as you know, depend heavily on marine resources for survival. Their breeding success and overall population health are intricately linked to the abundance and availability of their prey. Here's where El Niño throws a wrench into things. El Niño's warm waters disrupt the upwelling of nutrient-rich deep ocean currents. These currents normally fuel the growth of phytoplankton, the base of the marine food chain. With El Niño, phytoplankton production plummets, leading to a domino effect. Fish populations, which rely on phytoplankton for food, dwindle. This scarcity of prey directly affects seabirds' ability to find sustenance, particularly during critical breeding seasons. The impacts of El Niño on different seabird species vary depending on their feeding strategies. Some seabirds, like opportunistic feeders, might be able to switch to alternative food sources during El Niño events. However, for specialist feeders who rely on specific prey types, El Niño can be devastating. Breeding success can decline significantly due to malnutrition, reduced egg production, and chick mortality. Long-term consequences of El Niño events are also a concern. Frequent or prolonged El Niño cycles can weaken seabird populations, making them more susceptible to other threats like habitat loss and predation. Understanding how El Niño disrupts marine ecosystems is crucial for seabird conservation efforts. By monitoring seabird populations during El Niño events, scientists can predict potential population declines and develop strategies to mitigate their impact. In conclusion, El Niño's influence on ocean temperatures has significant consequences for seabird populations. Disrupted food webs and prey scarcity caused by El Niño can lead to breeding failures and population decline. By studying these El Niño-related effects, we can gain valuable insights to better protect these fascinating marine birds.
The intricate world of dolphin vocalizations. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lecture on the fascinating world of dolphin communication. Dolphins are renowned for their intelligence and complex social interactions. But did you know they possess a remarkable ability to produce and use a vast repertoire of sounds? These vocalizations are much more than just simple whistles and clicks. They form the foundation of their complex communication system. Unlike humans who rely on vocal cords for sound production, dolphins lack these entirely. Instead, they generate sounds using specialized structures near their blowholes. By rapidly pulsing air through these structures, dolphins produce a range of clicks, whistles, and pulsed calls at frequencies beyond human hearing. These high-frequency sounds are categorized into two main types: whistles and clicks. Whistles are clear, frequency-modulated sounds that resemble human whistling. These signature whistles are unique to each individual dolphin, acting like names that allow them to recognize each other. Whistles are used for various purposes, including social bonding, maintaining contact within a pod, and even expressing emotions. Clicks, on the other hand, are short, sharp bursts of sound. These clicks are used for echolocation, a form of biological sonar. By emitting clicks and interpreting the returning echoes, dolphins can perceive their environment in incredible detail. They can not only detect the presence, location, and size of objects underwater, but can even differentiate between different types of prey. Dolphins can also combine whistles and clicks to create intricate sequences called codas. These complex vocalizations are thought to convey a range of information, potentially including food location, warnings of danger, or even emotional states. While scientists haven't yet deciphered the full code of dolphin communication, ongoing research suggests these codas might be a form of language. Understanding the world of dolphin sounds offers valuable insights into their social behavior, hunting strategies, and overall intelligence. By studying their vocalizations, we gain a deeper appreciation for the sophistication of these remarkable creatures.
The rise of telework, benefits and challenges. Good morning, everyone. Today, we'll delve into the growing phenomenon of telework, also known as remote work. Telework involves completing your job duties from a location outside of a traditional office setting. This could be from your home, a co-working space, or even a cafe with a strong Wi-Fi connection. The rise of telework has been fueled by advancements in technology. Communication tools like video conferencing platforms and cloud-based software allow employees to collaborate seamlessly, regardless of physical location. This flexibility has demonstrably improved work-life balance for many employees. Teleworkers often cite reduced commuting times, increased autonomy, and the ability to manage personal errands more efficiently as key benefits. Telework can also hold advantages for businesses. Reduced office space requirements can lead to significant cost savings. Additionally, companies can tap into a wider talent pool, recruiting skilled individuals who might not be geographically close to a central office. However, telework isn't without its challenges. Maintaining clear communication and fostering a sense of team spirit can be more difficult in a remote setting. Employees might struggle with feelings of isolation or experience difficulty setting boundaries between work and personal life. Managers, too, need to adapt their leadership styles to ensure effective communication and task delegation within a remote team. The success of telework arrangements relies heavily on self-discipline and effective time management skills for employees. Creating a dedicated workspace at home and establishing clear routines are crucial for maintaining productivity. Regular communication with colleagues and supervisors is also essential to avoid feelings of isolation and ensure everyone is on the same page. In conclusion, telework offers a flexible work arrangement with benefits for both employees and businesses. However, it's important to acknowledge the challenges associated with remote work. By establishing clear expectations, utilizing technology effectively, and fostering open communication, businesses and employees can leverage the advantages of telework while mitigating its potential drawbacks.
The enchanting yet endangered world of coral reefs. Welcome everyone, and today we dive into the captivating underwater realm of coral reefs. Often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, coral reefs are teeming with life and are essential marine ecosystems. But sadly, their very existence is under threat. Coral reefs are not simply underwater rocks. They are vibrant communities built by tiny living creatures called coral polyps. These polyps secrete calcium carbonate, forming the reef's rigid structure. Millions of polyps work together over vast stretches of time, creating complex underwater landscapes teeming with an incredible diversity of marine life. The vibrant colors and unique formations of coral reefs are breathtaking. But this beauty goes beyond aesthetics. Coral reefs provide vital habitat for a staggering array of marine creatures. Fish, mollusks, crustaceans, and countless other organisms find food and shelter within the intricate nooks and crannies of the reef. These ecosystems are hotspots of biodiversity, supporting roughly a quarter of all known marine species. Beyond their ecological importance, coral reefs provide a multitude of benefits to humans as well. Coastal communities rely on reefs for protection from waves and storms. The reef acts as a natural barrier, reducing erosion and mitigating the impact of powerful waves. Additionally, coral reefs are a major source of income for many coastal communities. Tourism and fisheries heavily depend on the health and beauty of these underwater ecosystems. Unfortunately, coral reefs face a multitude of threats. Rising water temperatures due to climate change are a major culprit. This warming disrupts the symbiotic relationship between coral and algae, leading to coral bleaching, where coral loses its vibrant color and eventually dies. Pollution from land-based sources also takes a toll, suffocating corals and disrupting the delicate balance of the reef ecosystem. The future of coral reefs looks uncertain, but there is still hope. Marine conservation efforts focus on reducing pollution, mitigating the effects of climate change, and establishing protected marine areas. Additionally, scientists are exploring innovative techniques for coral reef restoration, aiming to revive and preserve these vital ecosystems. Protecting coral reefs is not just about safeguarding marine life. It's about protecting the health of our oceans and the well-being of coastal communities. By understanding the importance of coral reefs and taking proactive measures to address the threats they face, we can ensure these underwater wonders continue to thrive for generations to come.
The wonders of locomotion in the aquatic realm, how creatures move underwater. Welcome everyone, and buckle up for a journey into the fascinating world of underwater movement. The aquatic environment presents a unique challenge for creatures, navigating the dense and resistant medium of water. Unlike on land, where gravity and a solid surface provide stability, underwater movement requires specialized adaptations. Today, we'll explore the diverse ways marine animals propel themselves through this watery world. Fish are perhaps the most familiar example of underwater locomotion. Their streamlined bodies and fins work in concert to generate thrust. The muscular tail fin, with its powerful swishing motion, is the primary engine for forward propulsion. Other fins, like the dorsal and pectoral fins, provide stability, steering, and maneuvering. Different fish species have evolved specialized fin shapes and sizes to suit their specific needs. For instance, flatfish like flounder have laterally flattened bodies and fins that allow them to glide effortlessly along the seabed. Beyond fins, some marine animals utilize undulating body movements for locomotion. Eels, for example, with their long, snake-like bodies, create a wave-like motion that propels them forward. Similarly, jellyfish pulsate their bell-shaped bodies to generate thrust and drift through the currents. Intriguing adaptations for movement can be found throughout the marine kingdom. Octopuses, known for their intelligence, propel themselves through a jet propulsion method. By rapidly expelling water from their mantle cavity, they create a powerful force that pushes them in the opposite direction. Squid employ a similar technique, but can also utilize their fins for more nuanced maneuvering. Even the seemingly immobile creatures of the sea have ways to get around. Sea stars, for instance, have tiny tube feet on their undersides. These tube feet, equipped with suction cups, allow them to slowly inch along the seabed. Clams, on the other hand, can use their muscular foot to burrow into the sand or even propel themselves short distances in a hopping motion. The methods of underwater movement are as diverse as the creatures themselves. From the powerful tail fins of fish to the jet propulsion of octopuses, each adaptation is a marvel of evolution, perfectly suited to the specific needs and environment of the animal. By studying these remarkable adaptations, we gain a deeper appreciation for the ingenuity and diversity of life in the underwater world.